Welcome to EasyPhysiology ResearchPro. Today's topic is a fascinating one: communication in the body. Neural versus endocrine. In less than 10 minutes, we'll uncover how your body talks to itself, instantly and over time, through two extraordinary systems. Let's dive in. The human body is a masterpiece of internal coordination. Whether it's adjusting your heartbeat, managing your metabolism, or responding to danger, the body relies on communication systems to stay in balance, a concept we call homeostasis. And the two champions behind this? The nervous system and the endocrine system. First up, the nervous system. Think of it as your body's instant messaging service. Neurons send electrical impulses along axons, jumping synapses with the help of neurotransmitters. This process happens in milliseconds, targeting specific cells like a surgeon's scalpel. It's how you move your hand away when you touch something hot or feel the chill of ice immediately. Let's pause for a quick check-in. Which of the following best describes neural communication? A. Slow and sustained. B. Hormone-mediated. C. Electrical and highly specific. D. Circulating in the bloodstream. Type your answer in the comments. Now contrast that with the endocrine system, the body's broadcasting network. Instead of wires and sparks, it uses chemical messengers called hormones. These are secreted by glands and travel via the bloodstream. Although slower, their effects are sustained. From regulating your blood sugar with insulin, to triggering puberty or growth over years. It's like posting on social media. Many people see it, but only those interested actually engage. Let's bring this to life. Neural examples? Reflex arcs, muscle movements, sensory perceptions, all in a flash. Endocrine? Think insulin regulation, menstrual cycles, and growth hormone, slower, but crucial over time. They're like a sprinter and a marathon runner, different, but equally vital. Here's another question for you. Which process is primarily under endocrine control? A. Pupillary reflex. B. Muscle twitch. C. Menstrual cycle. D. Pain withdrawal. Jot your guess below. Here's a side-by-side comparison. Neural signals are lightning fast and short-lived. Endocrine messages are delayed but prolonged. Neural communication is highly specific, endocrine, more widespread. Understanding these differences is key to mastering physiology. Pop quiz time. Which of the following is not a distinguishing feature of endocrine communication? A. Long-lasting effect. B. Use of neurotransmitters. C. Hormones as messengers. D. Receptor-specific response. Let's see who's been paying attention. But here's the twist. The systems don't work in isolation. The hypothalamus, a brain region, senses changes and sends neural signals to the pituitary gland, triggering hormone release. This is neuroendocrine integration, forming a feedback loop that fine-tunes everything from stress responses to reproduction. Question for the thinkers. The hypothalamus-pituitary axis is an example of A. Purely neural control. B. Purely hormonal regulation. C. Neuroendocrine integration. D. Reflex arc. Drop your answer below. Let's recap. Neural equals fast, specific, short-term. Endocrine equals slow, widespread, long-term. Both use receptors to achieve specificity. And together, they form a perfect symphony of control. Your final quiz for today. Which characteristic is shared by both neural and endocrine systems? A. Use of blood for signal transmission. B. Need for specific receptors. C. Immediate onset of action. D. Short-term response duration. Write your response in the comments. These systems are not just academic, they're clinically critical. Disorders like Parkinson's or epilepsy stem from neural dysfunction. Diabetes or hypothyroidism reflect endocrine imbalance. Diagnosis? Think MRI or EEG for neural issues, and blood hormone levels for endocrine assessment. Here's a mnemonic to lock it in. Speed is specific, precise, electric impulse, neural. Endocrine uses hormones, delayed, endocrine. Simple, smart, sticky. To summarize, the nervous system delivers rapid-fire responses. The endocrine system ensures long-term balance. Together, they keep us alive, adaptive, and aware. If you found this video helpful, like, share, comment your doubts or ideas. Subscribe to EasyPhysiology and ResearchPro for more engaging insights into physiology and research writing. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.